versus zombies drawing video. It's gonna be so cool. So, we are going to do the ice pea shooter today. The icy pea shooter makes zombies freeze. Watch out for him. He can freeze you really good. Pass it off to Vinnie.
All right, let's get started with the pea shooter.
So we're gonna do a bigger circle like that. And then we're gonna do a smaller circle right here, like that. And then we're gonna do small circles on the inside of the eyes. And then once you're done with that, we're gonna color in the big part. Right here, we're gonna draw an oval shape for the inside of his mouth. And then you can do another one around that. That doesn't quite come to a close. Then you're gonna move on to the head. So you can do a big circle. So right here, we're gonna do the ice crystals, which are pointy shapes. You can do a bunch of ones, kind of bigger, some smaller, could be kind of random. Couple more. And last one. All right. So now we're gonna move on to the neck part. To start, we're gonna make a wide U shape. Then do 2 parallel curved lines for his neck. So right here, we're gonna do 2 leaves with pointy tips. And also a couple more leaves behind these 2. And then inside the leaves, you're gonna make little lines. Like that. How are you doing, Max?
Good.
Looks really good. All right, guys, we're all done. Max, what's the next step?
Now let's get started on some coloring, and I know how it looks like. Okay? Ready, set, put in fast mode. These are coming out super icy. Ready, set, open. Ooh. Whoa, these come out so great.
Amazing.
How, yours look so good.
Thank you. I like yours a lot too.
Thank you. Okay guys, I got an idea. What about if I set these on the wall, shoot one of them. Ready guys? I'm going to close my eyes. Let's watch the slow motion replay. Vinnie!
What?
So the dart went like this. In slow motion. Oh my god, guys. I shot mine. I was the win. Okay, guys. This was the best video. I really loved it. I hope I get a lot of subscribers. Hope you press that check mark. Vinnie, come over here. You have to say bye to kids.
Okay.
Bye. If you want to see the other one, check on the other videos. Bye.